a Chinese AI model that outperforms its competitors at a fraction of the cost, but with one massive problem: it failed 100% of security tests. DeepSeek R1 has taken the AI world by storm, but not for the reasons you'd expect. This AI is smarter, faster, and cheaper than GPT-4o, Claude 3.5, or Gemini 1.5, but it has zero safeguards against harmful prompts. So, is DeepSeek R1 a game changer or a security nightmare? DeepSeek R1 is the latest AI model developed by a Chinese startup. Unlike OpenAI's GPT models, DeepSeek R1 claims to have been trained for just $6 million, an incredibly low cost compared to the billions spent by tech giants like Google, Meta, and OpenAI. But how did they do it? The secret lies in three key innovations. First, chain of thought prompting allows the AI to reason more effectively by breaking problems down step by step, improving its logical consistency. Second, reinforcement learning with self-evaluation enables the model to refine its own responses over time, making it more efficient in generating high-quality answers. Lastly, knowledge distillation helps train a smaller, cost-effective model by leveraging insights from a larger, more complex one, significantly reducing training expenses while maintaining performance. These techniques collectively allow DeepSeek R1 to achieve impressive reasoning capabilities at a fraction of the usual cost. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? A powerful AI for next to nothing? Well, things aren't as rosy as they seem. A shocking new report by Cisco and the University of Pennsylvania revealed that DeepSeek R1 has a 100% failure rate in blocking harmful prompts. In other words, every single harmful request fed into DeepSeek was accepted without resistance. To put this into perspective, let's compare how DeepSeek stacks up against other AI models when it comes to resisting dangerous prompts. The attack success rate, where a lower number is better, shows that while other models managed some level of resistance, DeepSeek failed completely. For instance, a Llama 3.1 has a 96% success rate, GPT-4o is at 86%, Gemini 1.5 Pro at 64%, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet at 36%. In contrast, O1 Preview is the best performer with just 26%. Unlike these other models, which put up at least some resistance, DeepSeek R1 allowed every malicious request to go through, meaning that every single harmful request was answered, which is absolutely terrifying. So why is DeepSeek so vulnerable? One theory is that DeepSeek R1 prioritized cost savings and efficiency over security. While companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic invest millions into safety protocols, it seems that DeepSeek skipped this crucial step entirely. And that could have real-world consequences. Imagine an AI chatbot that could help cybercriminals spread fake news or even provide step-by-step instructions for illegal activities. This isn't just a minor oversight, it's a potential disaster in the making. And if the security issues weren't enough, DeepSeek R1 is already surrounded by multiple controversies. First, there are data theft accusations. OpenAI has accused DeepSeek of stealing proprietary data to train its chatbot. Ironically, OpenAI itself has faced lawsuits for data misuse on multiple occasions. Then, there are the lies about training costs. DeepSeek claims that R1 was trained for just $6 million, but an independent research firm, SemiAnalysis, estimates the real cost to be a staggering $1.3 billion. So, what's the truth? Is DeepSeek really a cost-efficient AI model, or is it just another overhyped project with hidden costs? To understand DeepSeek's importance, we need to consider the bigger picture. China is racing to surpass the US in AI by 2030, with companies like Baidu and Alibaba investing heavily. But if DeepSeek R1 has major security flaws, it could hurt China's AI ambitions and reputation. So, what do you think? Is DeepSeek R1 the future of AI, or a security disaster waiting to happen? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI updates.